So, how can I eat pasta every day and still be healthy? Well, pasta can be a healthy addition to your diet every day if you truly want. I've been really into chickpea pasta lately. When compared to traditional pasta, it contains more protein and fiber and fewer carbohydrates. This type of pasta will fill you up, so you won't want to eat the entire box. You could sub out your regular white pasta for wheat pasta or chickpea pasta to get in some added nutrition into your next pasta night. However, I grant you permission to eat pasta, and yes, even the white stuff every day. But here's why. If you try something called intuitive eating, you can eat what you want without needing to follow diets, calories, programs, or restriction. Intuitive eating means listening to your body's natural cues of what it wants when it wants. Instead of fighting those cues, intuitive eating allows you to trust your body in navigating your own food choices instead of the millions of other influences you have telling you what's healthy and what's unhealthy. You could do this with any food essentially, but listen, who wouldn't want to eat pasta every single day? If you want to try intuitive eating, go ahead and eat pasta every day if your brain and stomach really wants to. But eventually your body will start to crave other foods like vegetables, proteins, fruits, and healthy fats. It's just a matter of time, so just trust the process. Subscribe to Well and Good's YouTube channel. Hasta la pasta, baby.